How to use Canva for beginners. Step-by-step Canva tutorial. Yes, you can use Canva for many projects. To help you create your first design, we have prepared a complete tutorial. 1. Create your account. The first step is to create a Canva account. We remind you that it is free. Go to the home page and register using your Facebook, Google account or email. After creating an account, you will be directed to the Getting Started page, which will help the tool choose the best template for your needs. 2. Explore the model library. As we explained before, Canva has a large number of professional templates to meet the needs of various content. The model library is organized by categories, and the templates are divided by themes. No matter what you will create in Canva, it will already have the correct dimensions and elements, just like a springboard to start working. 3. Select the template that will be used with the publication. For social networks, especially Instagram, defining the appearance, that is, the appearance of the publication from now on, is very important. Choosing a different template for each post will make the feed confusing and visually cumbersome. 4. Images and text. First of all, you must choose a good image so that the position has a good degree of participation. Using the PNG library, we searched for a photo of homemade bread that caught people's attention. We remind you that if you already have a photo of yourself, that's even better. Select the photo and drag it onto the template, which is the exact location of the image. In order to make the photos look more vivid, we installed the sun filter. Now that we have the perfect image, it is necessary to choose a matching font. You can use one that already exists in the model, or you can select one in the Text tab. We know that choosing a matching font can be a difficult and time-consuming process. To help you, Canva itself provides a tool that can show you matching fonts and usage suggestions. 5. Share and/or download images. Canva allows you to invite more people to collaborate on design. You just need to click share and enter the user's email so that they can view the design or edit it. When you are ready, you can download it or share it to other places, such as Facebook, Mailchimp, Pinterest, and other social networks. You can also save it to other services, such as Google Drive and Dropbox. Don't you like these templates? Start from scratch. All Canva models are fully customizable. However, if needed, you can create a model from scratch, upload your own photos, background images, fonts and colors. To make a template from scratch, just select the size you want, then insert icons and shapes in the Elements section in the sidebar. Once the icon or shape is in place, start placing images and elements. Now is the time to let your creativity work. Please watch the next video to learn more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like so that you will not miss my future videos.